year is this car?
1967.
And how did you double the horsepower?
Well, we put a bigger engine with a big blower on it.
What's this do in a quarter mile?
Don't know.
Don't know. And why don't you know?
This is a street car. I drive it for fun because it's fun to drive. We have a race car, don't need to drag it. That motor's got about 800 horse plus the 300 nitrous.
Okay. The letters on it.
Yeah, they made it fancy.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Slick ride. How often do you take it out?
Once a week.
Once a week? To this?
Either Cars and Coffee or to work or the pizza joint on Wednesday night or the grocery store,
so
whatever.
at least once just to get it
just to
running?
get it out.
Okay. Headlights to tailpipes, right there.
All legal.
You guys rolling? Because the headlights to the tailpipes, this car is so interesting. We didn't even know the camera was rolling yet. Mike, you got to turn around, buddy. All right, Mike. All right, Mike, what's going on here? Because this thing does not look stock at all. What has happened here?
Just having a great time Saturday morning out here with my 68 Camaro.
68 Camaro. If I remember correctly, this thing had a 6 in it. What's it got in it now?
It's got a 540-inch Merlin.
It's like, I'm speechless, and so is Mike. Because you know what?
Oh,
if you're gonna double, you doubled the horsepower on this thing, didn't you?
Yeah, absolutely. Tripled.
Triple the horsepower.
Yeah.
All right, so you tripled the horsepower. So let's just get it. Let's get the numbers down for a second.
Okay.
I got a 68.
Okay.
All right, and when did you buy it?
Shoot, I've had this car 27 years.
27 years. A lot of the people that have had cars here have had them for a couple decades, and they tinker with them, they play with them, the vision changes, the story changes.
Right.
So between the headlights and the tailpipes, I got the rubber changes, I got the power changes. What are the things that you want to share with us? Like if we were to come in, what are we looking at, brother?
You're looking at basically factory 68 Camaro, full interior, bracket car, street bracket car.
Street bracket car.
Yeah. In other words, you could take it to the track and race it tonight, or you could drive it home.
Or you could drive it home. And that's one of the really cool things about these cars, guys, is, people are putting these together so they can take them out. They can take them not only on a Sunday morning, but you take it to work, right?
I've taken it to work, yes.
So what happens when you pull into the gas station? People are like, what is that? What are the effects you get?
I don't run factory gas. I can't run into a gas station.
You can't run into a gas station.
It runs on special gas.
Where do you get the special gas?
There's a special station in town.
There's a special station, but it's a big secret for all of you.
No, it's a Rebel station on the other side of Sahara.
Fantastic. So there's a Rebel station here in Las Vegas to feed this bad boy. Team Freak Racing, baby. Right here, from the headlights to the tailpipes. There's some more B-roll for you guys to check out. Thanks, brother.